This is a paint depth measurement device. And say maybe you're looking to buy a car for yourself. You want to know if it's been in an accident, say you don't have the Carfax or whatever. You can check paint with these to get the depth to see if it's thicker in some places than others, and maybe find it's been repainted. This one is pretty handy. It has continuous mode, single mode, and then select between iron, phosphorus type metal, or you can do copper and aluminum. Real simple. You can zero them out. Just select the mode. If you want the continuous, and then if you want whether it's ferrous or aluminum, and then just put the device on whatever paint section you want. So if you're doing continuous, that might mean you're trying to do a whole panel and you're moving along. Or if you just want to do a single spot, just boom, hit the button, get the readout. And of course, all you really need to know is you're looking for depth averages. And if you know a lot about painting of vehicles, then you can also tell, like, oh man, this paint is really thick. You know, so who knows what they're hiding underneath. Anyway, pretty cool. Might want to pick yourself up one if you're out, even if you're just a consumer looking to buy a vehicle at the dealership and somebody's hiding something. You're like, hey, that paint looks a little off. Well, this can tell you whether your eye is right.